Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on how to contact Microsoft for PC support. Whether you're facing a technical issue, need help with Windows, or have questions about Microsoft products, getting the right support is just a few steps away. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the Microsoft support website. You can find it by simply typing support.microsoft.com into your web browser's address bar. This website is your gateway to all kinds of support related to Microsoft products. Once you're on the Microsoft support homepage, you can start by using the search bar to enter a description of your issue. This is often the fastest way to find help articles or community posts related to your problem. If your issue requires more personalized assistance, you can get in touch with a support agent. To do this, scroll down and click on Contact Us at the bottom of the page. On the Contact Us page, you'll see various support options, including live chat and the option to have a support agent call you. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you prefer speaking with someone directly, you can request a phone call from Microsoft. You'll need to provide your phone number and select a convenient time for them to call you back. This way, you can avoid waiting on hold and speak to an agent at a time that suits you. Make sure to have your device and any relevant information handy, like your Windows version or device serial number, to help the support team assist you effectively. And that's it. Whether it's through the web, a callback, or live chat, Microsoft's support team is there to help solve your PC issues and get you back on track. Thanks for watching our guide on how to contact Microsoft for PC support. Remember, always keep your device's software up to date to minimize issues. For more helpful tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.